Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make steak dipping sauce, full guide. Start by choosing a base like olive oil, butter, or mayo, then select an acid for balance. Add aromatics such as garlic or shallots, fold in herbs, and consider a sweet note like honey if you want contrast. Whisk or blend to emulsify, taste for salt and pepper, and serve warm or at room temperature for best flavor. Try 3 reliable sauces that pair with most steaks. For garlic butter, melt butter with garlic and parsley and spoon over the steak. Chimichurri mixes herbs, red pepper flakes, vinegar, and oil for a bright herbal kick. For a richer option, simmer crushed peppercorns with beef stock and cream until slightly thickened. Taste and adjust salt, acid, or sweetness before serving alongside sliced steak for dipping. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful cooking content. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes at the stove without greasy phones, and it holds thousands of cookbooks in a compact, glare-free screen. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one yourself if interested, and now let's get back to the video. Serve sauces at warm or room temperature so fats stay soft and flavors bloom against the steak. Chill sauces in airtight jars for up to 5 days, and label them if you make several varieties. Reheat butter-based sauces gently to avoid separation, and give cold emulsified sauces a quick whisk or shake before serving. Small ramekins or shared bowls make dipping easy and keep portions tidy at the table.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.